stole a chain roller from one of my friendly neighbors and friends and bolted it on the Honda. Not a chain tensioner, it's just a roller, but at least it kind of catches the chain when it bangs around. And I'm gonna tighten the chain a little bit, just as tight as I feel safe, and I guess grease it up. Maybe the grease will keep flapping, I don't know. Just gonna try and keep the chain on for this race. Alright, we're having some trouble now. I can't seem to start the Honda. I was going to start it and grease the chain with it running. I don't know what it wants. Maybe it flooded a bit overnight. I think my gas valve doesn't seal tight. I'm just going to kick it 100 times and see, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'll check for spark. Not that I'm gonna do much. Fire this thing up and it won't go. So now I'm good. Yeah, at least it's race 9. I got a bit of time. It'll tell me if I have spark, and maybe it'll just clear itself out. I don't know what it's doing right now. Leave the valve off for now, just in case it's flooding. Won't make it worse. I'm not seeing any spark at all. So either I've got a bad piece of wiring somewhere. Test that. This wire, coil power. Coil wire fell off. What? The chances that could have happened in the race. Oh my god. Oh, I'm glad it didn't. Okay. We can fix this. I was gonna test power, but yeah, there's no power. Look at that. Unbelievable. Do we have to pull the tank off? I have a crossover pipe. I can just lift the tank off. Fix that at the shop this week. Look at that. The way it's meant to be. Holy fuck. How about that, eh? Tighten that up a little bit if I can. And put some tape over it. Something. Zip tie this one to the frame so there's no more tugging. Okay, there. Got it. Tape on this stuff. That was my negative wire, whatever this one is. It's fine. This guy, it's fine. It's point signal wire. Maybe we'll zip tie them together. I think they're on race 4, maybe. Still have a few minutes. Race 6 is on the line right now. Should be pretty cool to watch. It's a lot of modern stuff. More modern stuff anyways. Race 7, a bunch of the Sasquatch gangs in there. And I'm race 9 on the Honda. That was a big case. Oh boy, that was close. On the Beamer. What a madman. Couldn't find something heavier. Look at the launch on that BMW. That's unreal. What a hero. Got a brake light and everything. Oh my god. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. No, no, no. No tractor.
Well, 13 weeks old.
So friggin' cute.
Red lab and
Okay.
yellow lab.
I knew there was lab for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Look at you. Hi. Oh. Hi, Jealous.
Hi, Ziva.
Hi, Jealous. Oh, you know how to get it. Yeah. Love dogs.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make my wife jealous. It's okay if I'm recording? Okay, thanks. Alright, coming up the line here on the Honda. My class is V4, but I'm gonna race with the V110 because I was the only V4. So for the V110, the combined age of the rider and the bike must be 110 years or more. So if you're an old guy, you can have a newer bike, and if you're a younger guy, you have to have a really old bike. Maybe one day I'll be in that. There we go. Take it nice and easy, have some fun. so much dirt in my mouth.
Is this your Honda?
Yeah.
What model is it?
That's a SL175.
SL, twin cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Street bike, really.
I can hear that it's a twin and see it's a twin, but
yeah,
didn't know it that well. SL, man.
Yeah, not meant to do this stuff really, but it's good fun.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Glad to see you.
It's a fun bike. Yeah. I did the Thistle a couple years ago. I don't know if you guys were there, but I didn't have an exhaust on it then, so it was really recognizable.
Yes.
That yours?
Yeah.
1971, is it 180?
All right, heading back out for the second heat. I'll get some footage on the Maico because I should be jumping everything and hopefully catch that guy on that Can-Am. second race on the Maico done. Don't think I'll bother recording second race with the Honda. Should be basically more of the same. But I'll get some trackside footage of the GP race and stuff later on. Pretty happy with that second race with the Maico. Everything went well. I was following that guy on the Can-Am. Another young guy. He's just a rocket. I stuck with him for one lap. I was right on his ass after some of the jumps. And then he got away from me in the loose sand and he's just gone. So that guy is an absolute rocket. Props to him. I want to meet him and shake his hand later on because he is friggin' fast. We'll catch you later with some racing footage from the sidelines.
Ollie again. Still cooking.
Thanks a bunch.
I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, so that I didn't want to play around with it, so
Yeah.
hopefully.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Definitely needs to be edited.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
There could be